Alright, this is access at Grace Park and KB homes. 2 to 4 bedrooms, 3 to 3.5 baths. 2 stories, I believe, most of them. Garage. Let's go check it out. So this is off of Prairie. Right now I'm by the Grace Avenue entry, and you can see there are still some plots of land of homes that are in the midst of being developed, early stages. And you can see some framing over there. You got some concrete foundations. But there are some homes that are finished and occupied. This one's pretty nice. It's got the little playground here, right outside. I think this is a swimming pool yet to be finished. Hopefully this baby's done by the summer. People can cool off. Looks like you're gonna have some showers there. Maybe like a clubhouse. As you can see, I guess they're similar in size, but they do have some unique stylings to them. You see some with brick, others just have like stucco and other styles. You can see here in the driveway they have driveways, and I guess there's some 9-foot ceilings in some of the homes. We'll walk through one of these walkways. Some construction going on, while others are finished. Looks like it's got an outdoor grill. Very nice. These homes are pretty close together. I do assume these are going to be hot properties, and it'll be interesting to see how soon all these places sell out, as we see one home that's finished next to another home that's still under development. And another little playground for the kids. That is one awesome tree. It's like something you'd see at Disneyland. It's like a fun tree to climb. And Daniel Freeman Circle, that is the name of the hospital that used to reside here back in the day. Now it's a nice, large residential area. Now you still are close enough to be near the flight path of planes coming into LAX. It's not directly over you, but you do have a little bit of that side noise, that air traffic.